Ever wondered what the essentials are for a successful backpacking trip? How you can make your journey not just memorable, but comfortable and safe as well? The answer lies in the gear you pack. Today we delve into the world of backpacking essentials, providing a comprehensive guide to what you need for a successful adventure. First on the list is the backpack itself. It's your home away from home, carrying all your gear and essentials. The size of the backpack depends on the length of your trip and the amount of gear you plan to carry. For longer trips, a 50 to 70 liter backpack is ideal. Look for a backpack with an internal frame, adjustable straps, and plenty of pockets for easy organization. Next, a good quality sleeping bag is a must. Look for one that's lightweight, compact, and suitable for the lowest temperature you expect to encounter. A sleeping pad is also crucial for a good night's sleep. It not only provides comfort, but also insulates your body from the cold ground. Trekking poles are another backpacking essential. They help maintain balance, reduce strain on your knees, and can even double as tent poles. Then there's the tent. Opt for a lightweight, sturdy, and waterproof tent. It should be easy to set up and pack away, and have enough space to comfortably accommodate you and your gear. When it comes to cooking gear, a compact, lightweight stove and cookware set is your best bet. Don't forget a reusable water bottle and water purification tablets, or a filter to ensure you always have clean, safe drinking water. Ensure you pack enough high-energy, lightweight, and non-perishable food. Think protein bars, dried fruits, nuts, and instant meals. A first aid kit is a non-negotiable backpacking essential. It should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, pain relief medication, and any personal medication you may need. Other essentials include a map and compass for navigation, a headlamp for illumination, and a multi-tool for various tasks. Lastly, pack clothing appropriate to the weather conditions you'll be encountering. Include layers so you can adjust to changing temperatures, a waterproof jacket, and sturdy, comfortable footwear. To summarize, the key to a successful and enjoyable backpacking trip lies in the gear you pack. With the right backpack, a good sleeping bag and pad, trekking poles, a sturdy tent, cooking gear, enough food and water, a first aid kit, navigation tools, a headlamp, a multi-tool, and appropriate clothing, you're all set for your backpacking adventure. Remember, the goal is not just to survive your backpacking trip, but to enjoy it. With this comprehensive guide to backpacking essentials, you're well on your way to do just that. Safe travels!